Hello everyone, I'm I.R.O. Today, I would like to demonstrate how to add weathering to your models using Gundam Real Touch Markers. So, let's get to it. For today's demonstration, I will be painting this shield which was painted with an airbrush in one of my videos. Link in the description below. You can use any color you like, but I'll be using gray and brown to add weathering to this shield. First, I used the marker to paint the panel line and paint the edges. I'm painting in dots, but you can just paint a thick line. Once you're done, you can use your finger, paper towel, or cotton swab to wipe off the paint. However, you want to smear the paint onto the surface rather than completely removing it. If the paint dried before you had the chance to wipe it, then you can use the smearing pen to push the paint into the area you want. Once you're done, this is what the part looks like. That's all for this demonstration. If you have thoughts, comments, leave them in the comment section below. This was I.R.O, and thank you for watching.